Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi WordPress theme tutorial. This is Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Okay, in our last video we showed you how to build this transparent navbar or header section, transparent navbar header section that when you scroll it changes colors so you can still see it and the content behind is visible, but you can still read the links up there. You may decide that on another page it doesn't work so well, like this one. That doesn't work for me. I mean, you can just about see it. That logo doesn't look good. So let's make this page have perhaps a white background or whatever color you choose. Now we've got to use a bit of custom CSS to do this. Don't let that put you off. Don't bother trying to copy it while I'm actually doing it. I'll put the CSS I used today below this video, and you're welcome to use it if you wish. Okay, so I'm using Google Chrome here because it's got the great inspector tools. If I right click somewhere near the top of the page here and hit inspect, it'll bring up the Chrome inspector. And if we look under the body tag, body class, page template, this has got a page ID of 129. So I want to remember that. I'm going to copy that into a notepad. So I'm going to double left click and highlight page ID 129. I know that's a class because it says class equals, and this is one of the classes. So I'm going to copy this and put it into a notepad. And now I want to sort of select this area again where our actual navbar is, and that's the actual logo. So main header, select it up here, and if we look over, if you've got the styles tab open on one side and the elements on the other, elements will give you HTML, styles will give you CSS. Over here now I've highlighted our main header. If we look down here, here's the background color that we've got at the moment, and let's change it to white perhaps, which is FFF. Or you could just put white in there. Okay, that's going to work for me. So what I need to do now is just copy that. Well, I can put it here. Let's just copy that background color. I'll plop it under here. Then I'm going to copy all of this. Main header, opening curly bracket, background color FFF. Control C. I'm just copying it into a notepad over here, and as you can see we've got that page ID 129. I've put a dot or period in front of it because it's a class. All classes have a period. And then we've got our ID of main header and the background color. We've got an opening curly bracket, so we need to have a closing one. Okay, now that we've got this, what do we do with it? Because as soon as I refresh here, that's going to make that go back to how it was. Because when we edit in the browser here, it's just doing it in the browser, it's not writing it to the theme. So to write it to the theme, we want to go back to the theme, to the dashboard, to Divi, theme options. We're under the general tab, first tab, and right down at the bottom here is our custom CSS box where we can write our custom CSS. So I'm simply going to copy this. I think I'll give it a title. I'll say about page header. For a title, we don't want it to be read as code, so we say / / and in between the two stars we can put our title. That'll be commented out and won't be read as code. I'll say about page header. Just makes it easier if you come back in, you've got hundreds of lines of code, which can happen quite easily. And I'm going to drop down a couple and paste that code that we copied in there. I'm going to hit my save changes. Go back to our site. Now when I refresh this page, we should have our white background again for the header section. There we go. And if we go back to the home page, we've still got our nice transparent one with the pop-up gradient thing. Now, if you decide you just want the home page to have a transparent one and all the rest can have this white one, you can do it the opposite way around. You can just set the white one as your regular one in your theme customizer for both your main header and your fixed primary menu. And then you can go in on the first page and just tell that page to have a transparent one. So there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed that. The Divi theme just keeps getting better and better. If you want to take it for a test drive, you can do so from my affiliate link below this video. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.